Hi everyone, this is Lucy with a really simple yellow rice with chicken recipe. I'm cutting in bite pieces some leftover portions of a chicken breast, about 2 cups. Then I sprinkle salt and black ground pepper. In the meantime, I'm going to chop or dice 1 small onion, minced or mashed 3 or 4 garlic cloves, and 1/2 of a red bell pepper. Then in a pan big enough to make my rice, I'm going to brown the chicken in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the chicken is completely cooked, I'm going to add the onions, the bell pepper, and then the garlic. Rinse your rice and add 3 cups of rice to this mixture. I'm going to stir the rice into the mixture. Let the rice absorb most of the oil. Then I'm going to add enough chicken broth to cover the rice completely. About the same amount of rice, which is 3 cups. In this case, I add about 3.5 cups. I'm adding to the rice 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Make sure it's the sweet kind, unless you really like spicy hot rice. Mix well, taste for salt and add salt if necessary. Make sure at this point the temperature of your stove is medium. Once the liquid is absorbed, uncover the pot and then stir the rice and lower the temperature to low. Cover again and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. After the 30 to 40 minutes cooking, your rice is ready to serve. Stir before you serve and enjoy it. Buen provecho. I hope you like this video. Come back to see me again. Don't forget to subscribe. I see you soon. Bye bye.